Begins with Emersyn Lampe and a big first birthday. Emersyn, congratulations, and let the celebration commence in La Harpe.
All right. And we've got Ivey Forbis celebrating birthday number 6 this year. Hope it's a great one, Ivy.
In Pittsburgh, Alex Wetzel's now 14. Digging the hat, my man. Happy birthday, Alex.
I love that picture. That's good. Gunnar Jones turning 17 years old this year in Erie, Kansas.
Couple 20s on the board. We'll start with Eli Meyer. A happy birthday to Eli in Sarcoxie.
TJ Cleland turning 20 this year in Arma. Happy birthday, TJ.
Out on the diamond in the Newman uniform. Love it. Courtney Borland celebrating the 31st birthday. Happy birthday to Miss Courtney. She is in Carthage.
Kati Natalini celebrating birthday number 33 this year in Columbus. A little throwback pic there. Looks like she's got the prize duck.
Sabrina Davidson, want to wish you a marvelous 33rd birthday. Sabrina is in St. Paul.
All right, happy birthday, Sabrina. And happy birthday going out to Carrie Lewis, special education teacher at McKinley Elementary, from your husband and fur babies. Don't be upset, it was yesterday. Turning 46 years old in Joplin this year.
A trip out to Carterville is where we will find Stanley Newbury, who's celebrating his 50th birthday. Have a great day, Stanley.
Yeah. Misty O'Brien, turning 53 years old, looking wonderful there, Misty, in St. Paul.
And Gideon and Melinda Buchanan. Cool picture right there with the Buchanan family. Congratulations on your 15th anniversary. The Buchanans are in Jasper. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at komtv.com or go to komnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now let's check in with Tanya Bach for a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to komnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.